In this video I will show you how to make money online by using free apps, so you can see this new ad-free app, and earn up to $100,000 just for playing games on it, and you have people from all over the world already making thousands of dollars with it. These apps are available for both iOS and Android, and anyone can install them for free. So if you ever dream of spending hours on your phone, having fun playing games, and making big money online, then your dream just became a reality. Because now you can lay down in your bed all day and play games without feeling guilty, because that's what makes you money. But before we make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated, and you can start. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so in order for you to maximize your results and earn more money, I will show you 3 different apps which you can install on your smartphone device and start making money today, just by playing fun video games. The last app I will show you has paid out over $14 million in total, and you will see exactly what that is. Now, as you can see with this first app, you can actually win different prizes, starting from a contest where you can win up to $1 million and or $1 million. Crack the code contest for the chance to win up to $1 million in cash. 3 finalists will be selected to win $5,000 guaranteed. From those 3 finalists, 1 will win the grand prize finalist, and will be selected to crack the code, and have a chance to win $1 million. Now obviously this is not guaranteed, but you have a chance. If you can beat in this contest, you have a chance to win $1 million, which is huge for an absolutely free app, but even if you win $5,000 cash prize, that would still be huge. Second prize. This second contest that they have is a $100,000 contest. It's a sweet contest. You can enter the sweet money contest, and you have a chance to win up to $100,000 in pure cash. 1 finalist will be selected to play our sweet money virtual game and have a chance to win up to $100,000, and this game is really fun and interesting. I mean, you can play a game on your phone and have a chance to win up to $100,000. That's just insane. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to provide any service, and you don't have to film yourself on camera, or invest any money, but you still have a chance to win big with this app. They also have different prizes, which you can win, so it's definitely a great app to install. Right here you can see different people from all over the world that are making money with this app, where games on their winners daily. You can win up to $10,000 instantly, and enter great contests every day. So there are new contests and new prizes every single day, with over 1 million winners. Today can be next. And right here we can see all of our winners from this website, and you can see exactly how much they are making. Now if you're wondering why this app is actually paying you to play those video games, is because they will be showing you some ads within those apps, they will be showing some ads within those games, and they're pretty much splitting by other revenue with their users. So that's a great strategy, because they are also making a lot of money, and you are also making money just by playing a game. You will obviously play for rewards, not any in-cash rewards or points, but real rewards. You can earn tokens as you play, and save them to redeem for gift cards from over 30 major brands and retailers. These apps are featured on some of the main media sources like Discovery Channel, and yeah, which is really insane because it means it's a huge one. And there's a huge potential within these apps. You can see that it is available for both iOS and Android, so both sides are going to be satisfied. This is the first app which we will be using, and it's called Cooptastic. You can also just try to find it in the App Store or Play Store, just by searching for the testing, and install the app to your smartphone device, and stay tuned to see more apps. So this is the first app you can use to play games and make money with your phone. So this is the second app which you can use to make money just by playing video games in your phone. This is not the one that has paid out over $14 million in total. So stay tuned to see which one has, and you can see that you can win cash by playing free games. They are just sharing back the revenue. And once again, they're just showing you ads within the app. And within the game, while you're playing it, they will be showing you some ads, and they're just splitting the ad revenue with you, which is a great business model, because it means that this app, this platform also makes money, and you're also making money just by playing games and having fun with your phone. You can see that these apps are available in iOS and Android, which is already great, because there will be no complaints in the comments like this works only for Android, and I have an iOS, or vice versa, because this is available for both sides are going to be satisfied. You can see you can choose the many different games in Big Time. You'll collect tons of tickets while playing those games, so you will use those tickets to enter the competitions and contests in order to win cash prizes, and when the time runs out, then tickets are tabulated. And the winner is drawn. Every single day you have a chance to win some cash prize, so don't worry about it. Now here we can see all of the different games which you can play within the app in order to earn those tickets which you can redeem for real cash prizes, and all these games are pretty fun and interesting and something that most of us wouldn't normally play online, but now you will actually get paid for playing those games, and they can definitely really be interesting. And I mean, who pays you to have fun on your phone? So it's a great app, and I highly recommend it. These are all different games that you can play, and you can browse it once it gives you the platform name. Here you can see the latest winners. As you can see, for example, this girl from Spain made $3,375, this person from USA made $3,335, this lady from Italy made $3,290, this lady from Brazil made $135, and so on and so forth. You have people from all over the world, making big money with this app, just by playing games on their phone, so it's definitely a great one. And there's a lot of money to be made with it. Now the platform is called When Our Games, but the app is actually called Big Time, so you can find this, or the winner games. Common, you can install Big Time app on your smartphone device, whether that's an iOS or Android. You can just install it, play those games, earning those tickets, and hopefully win real cash prizes. And the final app which we will be using, this is a place where we can earn our works, which you can exchange for Amazon, Visa, Google Play gift cards, and many others. And the one thing that makes this app different is that you will actually give you new games that are recommended just for you, so it would give you a target game which you are probably interested in. So you would give them, tell them what games you got, what you would like to play, and they will give you those games to play. So it's gonna be an even more fun process of making money with this app. You can see, step 1 is to discover new games. Games recommended just for you. Step number 2, you will play those games, and you will click those units, they call those points, units. The longer you play, the more you earn, and of course at the end, you will redeem those units for real cash and for real rewards. Redeem your units for awesome rewards. Every single week, they have new contests, and as you can see, enter for a chance to win the grand prize. Every week we launched a new contest. And the last contest for each month offers an epic grand prize, which consists of big prizes and big money. What also make this app really unique and great is that you can play with friends and also make new ones. So this is really great because this app has an in-depth social experience that allows you to see what your friends are playing, compete with them on the leaderboards, or just kick back and have a chat with them. From here you can see what people are saying about the app, people that are already using this app to earn rewards and money, so you can read what they are talking about the app, and they're mostly leaving 5-star feedback. The games are very difficult. And there's something for everyone. Might as well earn while you have fun. The app is really well made, and runs without any issues. Now unfortunately, this app is currently only available for Android, and it's only available in Google Play, but it says it's gonna come up. But for now, yes, it's only available for Google Play. But anyway, the previous two are available for both iOS and Android. But this one is only for Google thing, and this app is called Misplay. And this is their official homepage over at Misplay.com. Now you can just go over to Google Play Store and search for Misplay, install it. Choose the game you want to play, earn those points, and units, and they will give you for playing those games, and of course at the end, just cash out and spend that money on whatever you want to. Every single league has a new contest, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos. Stay connected with Real Money for more upcoming updates.